In the case that you have deleted important testing data, qTest offers a simple and quick restoration solution. Deleted testing information is automatically stored in the recycling bin, and this is easily accessible to those with the delete object permissions. Simply select the project within which you want to restore your data, and then select the recycling bin icon. In the recycling bin, you can select from the menu the location in which you want to restore your data. And then in the Objects menu, you can select the testing objects you want to see. To restore your data, simply select the checkbox next to the object or objects you want to restore, and then select Restore. As you can see, your once deleted object is now restored and able to be accessed in your left navigation panel. Congratulations, you now know how to restore deleted data in qTest. For more qTest training, be sure to check out our other videos. Also, take a look at our help guides on our support site. And as always, happy testing.